Hi, it's Lucas with YOGABODY, and I'd like to introduce you to the Yoga Trapeze Pro. Since 2009, YOGABODY has been the leading manufacturer of yoga inversion slings anywhere in the world, and every year we've been innovating and adding and making changes to improve the design. But this year, we made the biggest changes we've ever made. We've been working on this project for the past 12 months, and we're really excited. We call it the Yoga Trapeze Pro. The Pro stands for professional. We designed it for our professional studios, but also for really serious students at home. And here's what we've changed. Number one is less metal. If you'll see here, we have just 2 carabiners instead of 4. Less metal means it's lighter, it's easier to set up, and there's no clanking metal sound when you go up and down. Number 2, all of our rigs come with daisy chain straps. These jet black straps, they blend into any space, but more importantly, they have different loops so you can clip up or clip down depending on your height or the height of your ceiling mount. Number 3, we have these quick draw straps. This simple innovation up here, it doesn't seem like much, but once you play around with it, you'll realize how quickly you can set up and take down your rig. And if you need to wash your rig, you can simply slip it off the carabiners, throw it in the washing machine in cold, and you're good to go. This color that you're looking at here is a different color than we've ever had before. It's called Indigo. It's a deep blue with purple tones. It's a limited edition. We got this color for this introduction of our Yoga Trapeze Pro. We got about 1,000 of these for our yoga studios and for our studio partners around the world. But we did about 300 extra specifically for our students and our fans as part of this pre-launch special. Here's how it works. If you pre-order the Yoga Trapeze Pro, you get this model many months before it goes on the market. And secondly, you get a bunch of really cool bonuses. Our first bonus is a video pack. You get my Strength Flow Go series, Happy Back sequence, and also my Low Flow sequence. These are 1-hour guided classes where I'll walk you step by step exactly how to use the yoga trapeze for different benefits. These are all levels classes, so whether you're just getting started or if you've been on the yoga trapeze for years, you'll really find benefit from these video classes. Video classes, at-home practice is great, but you'll have questions. So I'm also throwing in a 5-day coaching program with me in a private Facebook group. Every day for 5 days, I'll speak to you on live video just like this. You can send me photos, you'll have direct access to me, we'll go back and forth, and I'll guide you through specific poses for back care. We'll work on strength, flexibility, and balance using the yoga trapeze. So by the end of our 5 days together, you'll really have mastered all the techniques to use on the yoga trapeze for back care. Thanks so much for your interest in the yoga trapeze. I'm really excited to get this pro version out into the world. If you'd like to become one of our early pre-order clients, please scroll down for details, and I hope to work with you in the private group coming up soon.